Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hair UGC. First, understand the platform's technical requirements, like polygon limits and texture sizes, which are crucial for successful creation. Next, develop a unique concept and gather reference images to guide your design. Then, choose appropriate three-dimensional modeling software, such as Blender or Maya, to begin your creative process. Finally, learn about the general workflow from initial concept to the final upload, ensuring a smooth journey. Now, let's dive into the design and modeling basics. Begin by sketching your hair design from multiple angles, ensuring a clear vision. Use a three-dimensional software like Blender or ZBrush to sculpt the base mesh, focusing on the overall shape. It is crucial to create a low polygon count, typically under 10,000 triangles, for optimal performance across various devices. Always ensure proper topology for smooth animation and deformation, making your hair look natural. Next, we move to texturing and detailing, which brings your hair to life. Create realistic hair textures using specialized painting tools, focusing on individual strands and color variations. Apply different shades and highlights to give your hair depth and volume, making it appear more natural. Adding small details like flyaways or subtle frizz can significantly enhance realism. Remember to ensure all textures are optimized, often using 1024 by 1024 pixel maps for efficient game engine performance. Finally, let's cover optimization and the upload process. Optimize your hair model to meet platform polygon limits, often around 5,000 to 10,000 triangles, ensuring broad compatibility. Bake high-detail information from your sculpt into lower-resolution textures, preserving visual quality efficiently. Export your model in the required file format, typically FBX, ensuring all components are correctly embedded. Always follow the platform's specific guidelines for asset submission to guarantee a smooth and successful upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.